In this tutorial, we will be solving this quadratic equation by using completing the square method. And the first step you have to do when you want to use completing the square method is that the coefficient of x squared must be 1. But in this case, the coefficient of x squared is minus 1. So in order to make it 1, we have to multiply through by negative 1. So when we multiply through by negative 1, our equation will become x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Let us move this constant term to the right hand side. And when we move minus 5 to the right hand side, it will change to plus 5. So our equation will become x squared minus 4x equal to 5. Now, our x coefficient is minus 4. Take the half of minus 4. And the half of minus 4 will be minus 4 multiplied by 1 over 2, which will give us minus 2. Square it. So we can say minus 2 square. Add minus 2 square to both sides. So we are going to have x square minus 4x plus minus 2 square equal to 5 plus minus 2 square. This left side is a perfect square and it can be written as x minus 2 square. What you have to do to get this expression is just pick x and write x here, and here too we have minus 2. Just bring this minus 2 and put it here, and put everything in bracket and square. I want you to take note of this perfect square. X square plus bx plus b over 2 square is equal to x plus b over 2 square, and also x square minus bx plus minus b over 2 square equal to x minus b over 2 square. You will see that this is the same thing as this, and our minus b over 2 is minus 2. So our output will be x minus b over 2, which is going to be x minus 2 everything square. So let us equate it to the right hand side, which equal to 5 plus minus 2 square will give us 4. X minus 2 square equal to 9. Take the square root of both sides, and when we take the square root of both sides, the power of 2 here will cancel the square root in the left hand side. So our equations can be written as x minus 2 equal to plus or minus root 9, and x minus 2 equal to plus or minus 3. So x minus 2 equal to plus 3 or x minus 2 equal to minus 3. If we add 2 to both sides, we are going to have x minus 2 plus 2 equal to plus 3 plus 2. That means x equal to 5. Here too, if you add 2 to both sides, we are going to have x minus 2 plus 2 equal to minus 3 plus 2. X equal to minus 1. So the value of x equal to 5 or minus 1. That is our answer. Thank you.